Hey folks, Adam here, Elite Demonstrations, looking at my light box, just about to take some pictures of this cool Ford Mustang that my grandpa had. This was actually part of a gift that he got, and I wanted to go ahead and list it on eBay. So I wanted this to really look spectacular. So I got out the old light box. This thing's incredible. Now first, I have to say it's really neat that it's adjustable brightness, and the color spectrum, you can get warm or kind of that cooling light in there. And on top of that, we've got over 5 different backdrops, including white, black, green, kind of a tan, and a blue. It's absolutely fantastic. Now, some cool aspects to this is there's multiple areas that you can shoot your photography from. You can get it straight in, just this way, or there's a spot right up top and you can get a great photo going down. This is great for you professional photographers, but it's also good for you amateur photographers. If you're an eBay person, I think we do a lot of eBay here at 911. So being able to get a good shot of your product is going to be very important to your overall production. Also, as somebody who makes videos all day, every day, getting a good up-close shot of my product is worthwhile. Now, Fossetan has been doing this for years. They've actually got very energy-efficient LEDs, and it's really easy to change out the backdrop in here, okay? In fact, one way that I do it, now, this isn't necessarily their recommendation, but you go ahead, it's got Velcro on the back that will just stick up easily to the top here, and you put it in place, just that easy, and then you've switched the background color, and now I went from black to white, and you can do that with red, black, blue, green, etc., etc. They even got a little velvet one that goes in there, a little light white one as well. So this is a great way to take pictures. Throughout this video, hopefully you're seeing the before and the after of this little Mustang sitting on a shelf, and then what it looks like with all the different colors. And of course, on top of all that, you can adjust the brightness and things of the sort. So a really cool product. And again, you can get multiple angles. You can get the top shot, you can get the face forward shot, and everything in between. So if you're looking for a great company, Fossetan has done something that no other light box has done. They've made an easily collapsible box, and I think that makes a big difference. This thing is Velcro, and it folds in a matter of seconds, and then you can put it away. You don't have to have this box out all the time. One of the problems that I ran into with some of the competition is that it's kind of a permanent structure. You can't collapse it. This is just a quick Velcro, folks. You can collapse this guy in a matter of seconds, and it folds up to just be an easy carrying case. Now that is going to make a world of difference, because as convenient as this is, you may not want this sitting on your living room table all day, every day. You can fold it up, put it behind the couch, and only use it when you need it. Now I take a lot of photos, I'm using it a lot, and this makes a difference for me. Now I'm really impressed with how the red looks. I didn't know that I would like the red as much as I do, but if you're a Amazon person, well, guess what? Amazon requires you to have a white photo for your main listing photo. So the fact that you can use white is fantastic. You can also mix it up and have a variety of colors. If you want the red on red, it looks really cool there as well. And again, the Velcro just attaches up top to hold it in place. A real fantastic product there. So folks, my name is Adam from Elite Demonstrations. I only show you products that are absolutely fantastic, and this is the coolest light box I've had a chance to work with. I think you're gonna dig it. Go ahead and pick yours up. You won't be disappointed. Collapsible, energy efficient, a variety of backdrops. Get the size that you need, and you can really do a lot of cool photography and videography. That's the other part, is you don't have to just do photos. You can be doing videos with it, all right? All you need is a camera, and you can probably use your phone, because the phones have such great image quality that this is gonna look professional. All right, thanks again for watching. Get to shooting your photos. You're gonna love it. Adios, amigos.